Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saad Rashid. I am father of Muhammad Shamir Saad, who has been studying in this school since December 2016. And mashallah, when we look at Shamir's progress in last one and a half year, he has been doing really well as compared to when he came here. He was very raw as compared to what he is now. And I would recommend all parents who think they need a healthy school life balance for their child and overall all-round grooming for their child. They must consider Keystone, particularly in this regard that the name might not be as big as compared to other schools, other commercial schools, but mashallah how Keystone has done in recent past and the way their approach is in grooming the child's personality, not just academics, other activities, extracurricular activities, fun activities. They have a very clean, hygienic swimming pool outside, and we have been actively monitoring how our kid is doing academically and apart from academics in other extracurricular activities like singing, sports, and mashallah the way they have organized their annual sports day, their annual concert. So I think Keystone in the days to come, they have a long way to go, but their approach and the way they are dealing with and the way they are handling their children. So I think in the days to come, Keystone will be a big name, and especially the fee structure. I think we are getting extra value for money. The charges, the tuition fee, and the overall the curriculum that they are offering. So we as a parent feel privileged that we have this opportunity, and our kid is having such a good environment, a very homely environment where you come, you have fun, you play, and you learn. So all the best to Keystone in the coming days. Thank you Keystone.